What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best sink water filter in 2022. Are you planning to install an under-sink filter? If yes, you are definitely making the right decision for your family. In today's time, when staying healthy is the utmost need, making sure about the water quality is extremely necessary. So using an under-sink water filter can be a beneficial choice as it can manage to keep the flow of filtered water whenever you need it. However, before you choose a proper water filter, through extensive research and testing I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Waterdrop 10 Yuya Under-Sink Water Filter System. A high-quality under-sink water filter from Waterdrop can be a worthwhile addition for your family. You can enjoy a large number of benefits from using this filtration system under your sink. It is compatible with faucets with 1/2 inches or 3/8 inches of female NPT thread. It can be a great choice for its long-lasting service life. When you use the filtration system with municipal water, the filter has a maximum life of 8,000 gallons or 12 months. However, you have to make sure of proper usage. The innovative multi-stage filtration is capable of reducing heavy metals, chlorine, sediment, chemical impurities, and other large particles from water. As mentioned earlier, the certification of water filters is extremely necessary. This high-end water filter provides ultimate advantages. The high-quality BPA and lead-free materials used to manufacture this filter make it a beneficial choice. It has got certification by the WQA4D NSF divided by a NSI 372 standard, which makes sure of using it from the inside and outside. Apart from this, it also got the certification of NSF, NSI 42, which shows that it can effectively reduce chlorine and maintain the odor and taste of water. Number 2. Frislife Under-Sink Water Filter System. Having a proper filtration system at home is mandatory. So if you want a premium quality under-sink water filter system, this one from Frislife can be a better choice for you. The filtration system is designed with a 2-stage compound filter, with unique technology to reduce contaminants while leaving essential minerals in the water. You will be able to enjoy the advantages of drinking properly filtered mineral water. It also holds NSF, NSI 42 certification, certifying reducing chlorine and maintaining its odor and taste. The filter is compatible with 3/8 inches and 1/2 inches of cold water line. It comes with a design that can directly connect hoses or fittings with the mentioned size. It does not require any plumbing. With the twist and installation system, it takes less than 3 minutes for installation. It has an automatic shut-off system that does not require you to shut it off. It is designed with an inbuilt shut-off valve. This high-quality under-sink water system has a cartridge inside it. Number 3. Waterdrop 15 Yuya Under-Sink Water Filter System. When you use the best water filter, you can enjoy better health. If you're looking for one such great under-sink water filter, this one from Waterdrop again is a beneficial choice. It has innovative multi-stage filtration that is capable of providing you with safe and pure water. If you have kids in your family and want to ensure the best health, this is the perfect choice for your home. The filter is compatible with faucets that have 3/8 inches or 1/2 inches of female NPT thread. If you are using municipal water, each filter can live up to a maximum of 24 months or can filter up to 16 gallons of water. The innovative filtration system is capable of reducing heavy metals, chlorine, large particles, sediments, and other chemical impurities. You can enjoy pure and healthy water every day. The filter holder certification by WQA against NSF, NSI 42 and 372 standards. This makes it safe for inside to outside installation and provides the capability of reducing chlorine and maintaining the odor and taste of water. Apart from this, the use of polyester membranes and activated carbon block makes the maximum filtration. Number 4. Apec Water Systems WFS 1000 3-Stage Under. The Apec water system can be a great addition to your home if you are looking for a super capacity filtration system. It is a premium quality filter that is designed, engineered, and assembled in the US. It includes super capacity filters that provide you the opportunity to use them for a long-lasting time. This 3-stage water filtration system has carbon components that provide reliable and long-lasting performance. It also makes sure to remove chemicals and maintain the odor and taste. It can last for more than 12 months with higher performance. It has a water pressure of 2085 psi. The use of high-capacity filters ensures the removal of chemicals. However, it is not specifically designed to remove TDS. It does not require any tank as all the filtered water can be directly poured into your glass. The use of 100% lead-free material and food-grade tubing makes it a safer choice. It is a 3-stage filter, where the first stage has a high-capacity polypropylene sediment filter to remove rust, particles, and dust. The second stage helps to eliminate chlorine and maintain the order and taste of water along with other VOC. The third stage can further filter to provide pure and safe water. Number 5. Aquacrest 5 kDC Under Sink Water Filtration System. To stay assured about the best health of your family, the Aquacrest water filtration system can be a good option. It employs great quality coconut shells and has a filtration efficacy of 0.5 mm. It has effectively got the NSF, a NSI certification. The filtration system has the efficiency to reduce the taste and odor of chlorine and VOCs. It can also get rid of heavy metals like magnesium, calcium, and other large particles from water. It is a great choice as this under-sink water filter has almost 5,000 gallons of service capacity. You can directly fit this water filter with any standard 3/8 inches of the water valve. It takes only 3 minutes to install this water filter as it does not require drilling any holes. The package includes all hoses you need and push-to-connect fittings for seamless installation. This filter is excellent to be used in different parts of your home where you require safe drinking water. With a good 12 months of service life, you can enjoy every penny that you have invested in this filtration system. The filter is manufactured with lead-free and BPA-free material to make sure that it can always provide superior quality pure water. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you more information or if you want to know product price, do check of my description box for any kind of problem. Comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.